Spring 2023. The Python Software Foundation received correspondence from the EU's Department of Justice. No, there weren't listed postcards, but 3 subpoenas for disclosing PyPi data about 5 of its users. Obviously, the DOJ didn't provide additional context. In the end, in Big Brother we trust. What did they want? 9 items. Number 1. Names, including subscriber, user, and screen names. Number 2. Addresses, including mailing, residential addresses, business, and email addresses. Number 3. Connection records. Number 4. Records of session times and durations, and the temporarily assigned network address, such as IP addresses associated with those sessions. Number 5. Length of service, including start date and type of services utilized. Number 6. Telephone or instrument numbers, including the registration IP addresses. Number 7. Means and source of payment of any such services, including credit card or bank account number, and obviously billing records. Number 8. Records of all Python package index packages uploaded by given usernames. Number 9. IP download logs of any PyPi packages uploaded by given usernames. Initially, the organization considered fighting back, but legal counsel convinced them otherwise, or so they state. In the aftermath, PSF started developing new data retention and disclosure policies. The policies are related to future government data requests, how and for what duration personally identifiable data is stored. The official blog post contains more detailed information and can be found in the resources sections of today's episode on 505updates.com. This was Olimpiu reporting from Transylvania, Romania.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.